What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is going to be a DIY video. I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on my Chevy Silverado 3500, and this method right here will work for the GMC Sierras and the Chevy Silverados from 2014 to 2019. Okay, I'm going to start out with showing you the Fram Fresh Breeze Arm & Hammer. This is the cabin air filter that I currently use in my truck, so I'm going to replace it with this one. You're going to come right here on the passenger side and open your glove box, and you're going to have to remove 2 screws here, and let's see if I can get to them. 1 screw here, and 1 screw right there. This screw right here, you definitely need to be careful so you don't drop it down in this pan. You might want to use a magnetic bit. Do the top ones, you have to open this right here, and once you get these out, you'll have to open the top, grab right here, and pull it off, which I'm going to show you every bit of that right now. All right, let's take the bottom screws out first, and let me mention, you're going to use a T15 Torx bit to get these screws out. I would recommend taking the bottom ones out first and then proceed to take the top ones out, and you take the bottom ones out with the glove box closed. All right, let's make sure that we don't drop the next screw. And you can use a power drill to do this. This is just what I have in my toolbox, and the easiest method for right now. All right, next, I'm going to open the glove box and take these 2 top screws out. All right, guys, now that I've got all 4 screws out, I'm going to open the top glove box, grab right here, and pull out like so. And right here is your housing where the cabin air filter resides. So you want to reach in here, and there's a top clip here. Get that one out. Reach back in here on this side. There's another one right there. Pull that out like so. Reach in here, get the cabin air filter, and pull it out. Oh, not too bad. Just got some leaves and stuff in there. And as you noticed, my airflow says it's going down, so that's how you want to put the new filter back in. All right, guys, I'm going to take my brand new filter here with the writing in the same direction. I'm gonna stick that corner in first right there and push it on in, and the arrow is pointing down, so the airflow is going in the exact same direction. Now I'm gonna take my cover, I'm gonna hook the bottom in first. This is not as easy to do with one hand as it is with 2 since I'm filming. Okay, pop that back into place. Pop that one back into place. Let's see. Make sure there's a wiring harness back here on this side, as you see right there. Make sure that doesn't get stuck in it when you do that. And that's all there is to it. Now time to reinstall the glove box. Our next step is putting the glove box back in. I am going to close the glove box and leave it latched. Stick it back in here just like I took it off, and I'm going to reach down to the bottom. Let me hold this with my hand. And I bumped it 1 time like that, and it locked the clips in on each side. Now I can lower this glove box down, and I'm going to start with these 2 top screws. Put them in first. Now that I've got the 2 top screws in, I'm going to close the glove box. I'm going to go ahead and close the top. Now I can proceed down here to the bottom and put these 2 screws in. There's one hole right there. See if I can get it to hold. I would guarantee you could do this process in 5 minutes if you're not trying to film it. All right, there's that screw in. And now let's move to the next one, which is gonna be right there. I did have to put the camera down while I put the last screw in on the bottom and snugged it up. Just couldn't get it with the camera in my hands. Needed 2 hands for that. But anyways, that is the process for replacing your cabin air filter in the Chevy and GMC Sierra and Silverados 2014 to 2019. Very simple process. No need to pay the extra money to the dealer to mark it up and upcharge you for labor. Most anyone can watch this video and do that replacement right there. I appreciate all of y'all watching the video. Thank you for you watching all my DIY videos and all my new subscribers. And make sure you go down there and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you in the next video.